Come back to this example again. In my previous video, I have discussed one numerical example of to calculate maximum shift frequency we can apply with OCV variation and CPP value. In this video, I will explain how to calculate setup and hold delay or hold analysis slack with OCV, D rate and CPP value. Very first, let's think about a common same circuit. I'm going to take here a launch flop and capture flop. This segment I have the common clock tree path of 0.25 nanosecond, launch flop 0.6, launch data path 1.7, capture clock path 0.75 and hold delay is 1.25. Very first, if I want to calculate without D rate, so launch flop, so we know the hold slack. Hold slack I can calculate from arrival time minus required time. Arrival time due to the data and required time due to the clock. So now at what arrival time for the data at flip flop 1, that is given as a 0.25 plus 0.6 plus 1.7. The total that is my I have calculated the launch clock path and data path 1 point. Arrival time is a 2.5 2.55 nanosecond. To calculate required time for to understand the hold analysis is very first we calculate the total path delay. The capture clock path delay is 0.25 plus 0.75 and hold delay that is my after the flip flop 1.25. So it is the 0.25 plus 0.75 plus 1.25. So subtraction is I have got hold slack is 0.3 nanosecond positive value. So there is no violation. My circuit it have met their timing constraint. But when I apply here the OCV variation, due to the OCV variation, as I told you, the capture clock path this delay going to reduce, but launch clock path data paths this value going to increase and hold time that is also going to increase by the increment or decrement by the given D rate factor. So here the modification I have taken here the timing D rate early 0.9, late by 1.2 and cell check by 0.95. In this example, this launch clock path it is modified. The launch clock path so in this example which I've shown the set timing D rate early is going for the 0.9, set timing D rate late 1.2 and set timing 0.95. So launch clock path it is multiplied by 0.85 given by the timing D rate factor 0.9. Minimum data path again multiplied by the early D rate factor 0.9. But capture clock path it is going to enhance the delay. To understand here the difference I am highlighting here, to analyze the hold analysis. Here the capture clock path going to increment, but launch path, the clock path and data path this going to decrease. Okay, so because the hold analysis perform is a best timing analysis where the capture clock path this value going to increment but data path value going to decrement, just opposite of the previous example. Here the threshold value of hold analysis given as 0.95 cell check it is again 1 so hold time it is going to decrement by 1.875. So now when I am going to calculate the CPP is a common path of the circuit. So the common path of circuit is these two flop. So these two flop it going to create the common path pessimism. So wherever I have seen 0.25 have the option it can take the D rate factor of maximum value and minimum value. So common path pessimism is the maximum arrival time minus minimum arrival time at the common path. So 0.25 multiplied by 1.2 and 0.25 multiplied by 0.9. The CPP value is 0.075 nanosecond. So this CPP must be applied as a remove from the required time. To perform the hold analysis, the CPP must be reduced. So hold slack. So we can calculate hold slack is the as arrival time minus required time. So now to calculate hold slack with CPP factor, so 0.765 plus, that is my launch arrival time minus required time. So arrival time given by data path, so data path is launch clock path 0.765, data path is modified to the 1.53 minus required time given as a capture clock path, that is the value of 1.2 minus hold time. So sorry, minus hold plus hold time, so plus 1.875 minus the CPP correction value to be applied. So in this case I have got here the minus 0.07.5, that is the hold slack appears in negative, so that represent hold violation. So what we have observed there, the circuit was perfectly working without variation, but with variation of 10% applied to the early timing, 20% applied to the late timing. So here we can have it leads to the violation of the timing. So whole time have got violated. So in order to mitigate this effect, the variation should be optimized. Instead of 1.2 I can apply here 1, or the similarly setup hold check, this value can be minimized to the some lower value of variation. Come to the again, I have taken a very interesting example here where I have taken the both the setup analysis and hold analysis to the common circuit. Suppose a question given as a common circuit, we have two flip-flop, launch and flop, and launch and capture flop. In between here we have combinational delay of 200 picosecond. Now they have given into the parameter, the hold time is a 50 pico, setup time is a 200 pico, and clock to Q delay of both the flop is given as 250 picosecond. In between the capture path 3 buffer we have taken, and a common clock path, so CPP value for just due to the C1 is a 100 picosecond. So when I calculate the setup and hold timing analysis constraint without OCB variation, then I will go for the with OCB variation, and then I will take the CPP correction factor. So now what we seen here, the hold analysis. First of all, if I perform hold analysis, we know the hold slack is the arrival time minus required time. So arrival time we need to calculate from the data path. So very first take here the without OCB variation. So without OCB variation, say arrival time will come due to the C1 A1 clock to Q delay plus X1. So that is total delay I have got here the 650 picosecond. To calculate the required time we require from due to the C1, B1, B2, B3, and the T hold of the capture flip flop register 2. The total value I have got the 450 picosecond. So hold slack is the arrival minus required time. I have got 200 picosecond, no hold violation. Circuit was perfectly working. Now it comes together to the setup analysis. In the case of setup analysis, we know the setup analysis, the worst case analysis we have to perform at the second flip flop, second edge of the flip flop. So here my formula is required time minus arrival time. So arrival time we have to calculate from the data path. So C1 A1 clock to Q plus X1, that is my 650 picosecond. But required time is a T clock. They have given here T clock is a 500 picosecond. So T clock plus B1, B2, B3 minus setup time of the second edge of the flip flop. So now my complete required time I have got here the 700 picosecond. Okay. So now in order to calculate the setup slack will come required minus arrival time I have got 50 picosecond. There is no violation exist. Okay, there is no violation. But when I going to take the same example with violation with OCB variation, assume the technology benchmarking have got OCB variation is plus minus 10%. It means late path it 10% increment 1.1, early path decrement by 10% 0.9, and early sell check setup and hold check it is going to increment by 1.1. With these constraint I am going to the first of all perform the hold analysis. So hold analysis we have to perform arrival time. We know the arrival time minus required time. So we know the hold analysis. Hold analysis to the my best corner where clock path required time going to decrement required path going to arrival time going to decrement by 0 arrival time multiplied by the direct factor of 0.9 and required time multiplied by the late factor 1.1. What we have seen, because my best combination required time the clock path going to enhance the capture clock path going to enhance, but clock launch data path clock path going to decrement. So arrival time will be 0.9 into c1 a1 clock 2q plus x1, that is the my 585 picosecond. So arrival time decrement, but required time earlier it was 450, now it is increment by 1.1, it will become 495 picosecond. So now calculate the hold slack, it becomes the 90 picosecond. There is still no violation, but design margin, the hold margin decremented by 110 picosecond. Now when I'm going to take here the setup analysis, we know setup analysis the worst case analysis where it have to perform second edge of flop here required time. So first of all in order to understand setup analysis I have taken here the arrival time it is going to increment the data path. So launch path and clock path it will be increment, but capture clock path it going to decrement. So arrival time I can calculate 1.1 into c1 a1 clock 2 q plus x1 715 picosecond. So arrival time increment, but required time was earlier 700 picosecond. It is t plus 0.9 plus c1 b1 b2 b3 minus 1.1 of t setup. So it is a 640 required time going to decrement. So now when you calculate setup slack it comes the minus 75 picosecond. So it leads to the setup violation. Okay, due to the OCB variation there is a timing constraint, setup violation has been failed. Apply because the my buffer c1 buffer is the common between both launch and capture flop. To calculate the common path pessimism, so formula I have given that maximum arrival time minus minimum arrival time at common point. So maximum time I have got 1.10 plus 1.1, minimum time is 0.9. The CPP value is 20 picosecond. So this because of the CPP value as we discussed in the my previous video, required time, the required time in the case of setup analysis required time plus CPP it to be added, in the hold analysis required time to be minus CPP subtracted. So now hold analysis, in the case of hold analysis earlier I have calculated arrival time was 585, now required time will modify to 475. What we have seen, hold slack it become 110. So hold slack improves, the hold margin improved to the by 20 picosecond, but setup slack earlier I have setup violation by 75 picosecond. Now in the setup analysis with CPP value, so what we have told we have seen the required time going to increment to 660 picosecond. So now 80 the in this case in order to perform setup slack I have got a setup violation is minus 55 picosecond. So setup margin is decremented by some value. So in order to conclude that due to the CPP value, CPP variation, it is possible to include design margin of setup slack and hold slack. Thank you.